In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Autoresponder Aweber. To begin, log into your Aweber account and go to the main navigation. Find Automations and then select Workflow. This is where you build the automated sequence that sends emails to subscribers over time. Think of a workflow as a simple path your subscriber follows, with messages and delays placed in order. Once you are in the workflow area, click Create Workflow. Aweber will prompt you to choose a starting point. If you want a quick setup, select the Welcome Series template. This is designed for a typical first sequence, like a greeting email followed by a few follow-ups. If you prefer full control, choose Blank Campaign so you can build everything from scratch. Either option works, so pick the one that matches your goal. Next, name your campaign. Use a clear name that tells you what the sequence is for, such as a welcome series for new subscribers or a specific offer. Then click Create to open the workflow editor. Now you will add your first email. In the workflow editor, drag the Send Message action into the workflow. This is the step that actually delivers an email to your subscribers when they enter the automation. With the Send Message action selected, click Create a Message and choose Drag and Drop Email Builder. This opens the email editor where you can write and design your message. Keep the layout clean and easy to scan, and make sure the subject line clearly matches what the email delivers. When you are finished writing your email, click Save and Exit to return to the workflow. To control timing between emails, drag a wait action and place it below your message. This sets the delay before the next email in the sequence is sent. Choose a delay that feels reasonable for your audience, so you stay consistent without overwhelming subscribers. When everything looks correct, click Save and Exit again. Finally, click Activate and Turn On. This step is important, because the workflow will not send anything until it is activated. That covers everything you need to know.